Most contractors don't find out about a gap in your insurance coverage until you get slapped with that claim denial letter or a lawsuit you never saw coming. I'm James Jenkins from HVAC Insure, and it's our job to make sure that never happens to you. HVAC Insure is a proprietary, exclusive program for risk and insurance solutions that serves the needs of the HVAC, plumbing, electrical, mechanical, and refrigeration contractor space. It is our privilege to deliver a custom-tailored solution that has everything that you need in the insurance world, the policies you already know about: property, auto, general liability, workers' compensation, and a lot of things you may not even be thinking about, like cyber coverage, crime coverage, environmental, pollution, employment practices liability, etc., etc. There's lots of stuff that may be appropriate given your operation. We also throw in a bunch of risk management toys you may not even be aware of. Look, the simple fact is you can buy your insurance just about anywhere these days, but the smart owners and operators know that it's not a good idea to go down to John Smith Insurance Agency on Main Street and buy a program from them when they're just as likely to write a flower shop or an auto mechanic as they are anyone in the skilled contracting world. The smart owners and operators also know that it's not a good idea to buy your insurance online where you're dealing with some call center that's going to disappear like a fart in the wind when everything goes sideways. No, it's a really good idea to be working with a shop that is a legitimate specialist in your industry who understands your operations, is showing up as a trade booth sponsor at your conferences, who's reading your journals for the associations that you pay attention to that are thought leaders and advocates for the skilled contractor space. HVAC Insure is a proud member of ACCA and PHCC, and we look forward to seeing you at some of these events around the country. HVAC Insure is proud to work with contractors all across the great state of Florida, from Jacksonville to Orlando to Miami and everywhere in between. We are eager to help with all of your risk and insurance needs. And that's really it for this video. If anything that I've said resonates with you, we'd love to connect at the form below, or you can call our office at 888-862-1202. That number again is 888-862-1202, or fill out the form below and we'll get connected and see how HVAC Insure can best serve you and your company. Thanks.